Okay, so here we are on the foot of the mountains. If you want to go hiking on those mountain paths, you need to have a good general fitness, but nothing special, since you can always adjust your speed. The weather here on the mountains is really unpredictable, so you need to have something more than a t-shirt with you. Okay, today was like a warm-up day, a sightseeing day, but tomorrow we are really going up to these mountains. It's Friday on the Alps. We are hiking to the Wank mountain. It's 1 kilometer in height, but the trail is 7 kilometers in length. This is the hiking gear needed for the Alps. I have a t-shirt, shorts and my Vibrams. And Teijo wanted to play easy, so he took walking sticks too. This is the track we are going up now. Pretty steep. Whoa. It's Sunday. We are walking around this beautiful lake. As the last thing before heading home, we're going there. That was 85 kilometers of walking on the Alps in 4 days. Tomorrow I'm not going anywhere.